Another Northern Virginia man who admitted to giving former Culpeper County Sheriff Scott Jenkins money to become an auxiliary deputy took the stand today. Jenkins is accused of accepting thousands of dollars in exchange for law enforcement badges. Maggie Glass is live outside the Charlottesville Federal Courthouse with the latest on day 2 of his trial. Good evening, Maggie.
Good evening, Steve. There was a lengthy list of witnesses called by the prosecution today. One of those includes lawyer Fred Gumbiner. Now, Gumbiner is a co-defendant in this case who was already pled guilty, and he said today in court that the reason he wanted to pay Jenkins for a badge was so that he could get out of speeding tickets. Gumbiner says he testified in court he gave Jenkins a $20,000 campaign donation. It's important to note that donation was not listed on Jenkins's campaign finances. In exchange, he says he became an auxiliary deputy sheriff in Culpeper County. From there, he used his badge for privileges such as going through TSA pre-check, receiving a COVID vaccine earlier, and attempting to get out of traffic stops. Gumbiner also says he brought in another person who wanted to pay Jenkins for a badge. Similar to when another co-defendant, Rick Rahim, testified yesterday, the defense says that Gumbiner is making these statements against Jenkins and hopes that the government gives him a more lenient sentence. Now, court has ended today, but it will resume on Monday. For now, live in Charlottesville, Maggie Glass, 29 News at 5.